Hi.
Oh,
Elliot, we miss you. I just fell off a chair. Want to make a video for us?
Ellie's in the bathroom.
I hope you're having a really good pee right now.
So, that's Alex. Come meet Alex. Alex, come meet the camera.
That's Alex. Is that?
He threw a
He just
goldfish.
threw a baby goldfish at you, Elliot.
It went down your shirt. You know what?
I am so sorry. I am so. Oh, there's Asians in here.
There's an Asian right over there.
Hi, Kelly.
This is my belt. It spins. It's Playboy.
This is my belt. It's just a belt. It's brown.
This is my phone. It's an
like
Android.
my skin. I'm the sub, right? For this hour? I'm the sub?
Come say hello to this camera.
Yeah, you want to make a video?
No, I'm the sub.
No, I'm the sub.
This is Mr.
I think she's lying.
This
because
is
she
that's
told me I'm the
Broby
sub.
one Kenobi.
And that's Broby.
That's me Broby.
And this is me upside down.
This is me sideways. Okay.
I don't have a face. Okay, I'm just gonna sit upon this chair, so you should like move yours. Thanks.
Alex doesn't want to be in the video.
Oh, that doesn't work.
He's watching us like he wants to be, but in real life he doesn't
Alex
want
is
to be.
the creeper. Don't make us bring the computer.
There he be at. There he is. There he is. There he be at.
That's my nigga. Yeah, that's okay to say that.
In the book Huckleberry Finn, Mark Twain uses that word 209 times.
Is that your computer?
Our teacher told us.
What?
Mr. Love? Mr. Love?
He was my sub.
Can we go say hi?
Yeah, we can.
Can we go use the bathroom? No, really.
Mr. Love's in there.
What did he say this time?
I mean.